Look at that, guys. Look at that. This strategy is the most powerful and most simple strategy anybody would ever share with you guys. This is the most powerful, most simple strategy you would want to work with, guys. All right, this strategy works for me over and over again, and I'm going to keep updating you guys as it goes on, because the more I keep using it, the more I realize how powerful this strategy is. All right, so I need you guys to stay close and watch this video to the end. As you can see right now, we are on a trade and we are winning. All right, we are winning right now. We're catching a lot of spikes. You can see our entry point here. You can see we entered around here, and you can see how many long spikes we've caught already, guys. All right, so this strategy is what I use to milk the market. Myself and the VIPs were winning. I can show you guys. All right, this is the trade going on right now, and people are testifying. A lot of persons are winning already. VIPs are winning. All right, we win always, guys, because we make a lot of profit using this powerful strategy. All right, so I need you guys to join this channel. Come see with us. Come stay with us and see what we're doing, and probably just join us. Do the same for yourself and make a lot of money for yourself. All right, it's very powerful. The strategy we use to milk the market, and I'm going to share with you guys. All right, this channel is very free. It's very free. I'm going to drop the link. All right, I'll drop the link for you guys to join. So you just check the description of this video. You'll find the link to this Telegram channel. All right, I'll also drop the link to my WhatsApp number, so you can connect with me on WhatsApp directly. You don't have to go through any corners, anybody, right? You just need to you want to chat with me directly. You just click the link on the description of this video. I will drop the WhatsApp link so that you don't have to stress reaching out to me. You can reach out to me for any reason, right? You can reach out to me to join the VIP. You can reach out to me to join our ongoing mentorship program. You can see our students are making a lot of progress. All right, this is somebody who is just a month old in the academy, and they're doing well for themselves, guys. So yeah. All right, chat me up if you have any challenges. I'm going to be here to respond and assist you the best way possible. But for the sake of this video, guys, we are about to share with you guys this powerful strategy that we use to milk the market. And you guys have seen already, the trade is winning. All right, so we are going to be needing some indicators for this strategy. There are some very powerful indicators that we're going to be using in this strategy. So I need you guys to quickly run up the settings so I can show you how it works. All right, you can see on our main charts, you can see that we have moving average. All right, and then on the indicator window we have RSI, we have moving average too. Okay, and we have envelopes, guys. So I'll quickly show you guys the settings. All right, I'll quickly show you guys the settings of this powerful strategy. So soon as you set it up, you just follow the principles I'm going to be sharing with you guys here, and you will win. All right, you can make a lot of money winning using this strategy. And for the newbies, guys, okay, for people who keep asking me how to set up these indicators, all right, this is it, guys. You just simply click the F sign on your chart. Okay, you just simply click the F, excuse me, you just simply click the F. This is it. You can see the F sign there. That is where you add your indicators. All right, and you want to add your indicator. You want to first of all add your RSI. Of course, we need the moving average on your main chart, so you can go ahead and add your moving average on your main chart. All right, these are the settings: period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel. I'm using black moving average because I want my background is white, so I need it to be visible on my screen, right? So yeah, and the levels, you don't need any levels for this, so you just simply click done when you're done with this, and then you go ahead to add the next one. The next indicator you're going to be adding is your relative strength index, your RSI. Okay, your RSI, these are the settings. You can see period 14, apply to close, styles 3 pixel, using white background because my background is white. All right, and the levels is just 10 and 90. You just add level 10 and level 90. Okay, these are where you change your levels. All right, you can describe it. This is I actually wrote that description. The 10 level is where I buy from, and the level 90 is where I sell from. So I just simply indicate buy and sell there, so I will know this. Okay, but it's not necessary. You don't really have to put, of course it's your chart, you understand your chart better, so you don't need to indicate all of this. But then these are for newbies. Okay, you just know what to do. My style is 2 pixel applied to, yeah, style is 2 pixel, and the background is black. I want it to be visible. You can choose any colors you want, guys. You can choose any colors, but make sure it is visible on your screen. All right, so you're done with that. You just simply click done, and then you add the next indicator is your envelopes. You just add it, period 70, shift 0, deviation is 0.9, method simple, apply to close. Styles, you can see upper band is 2 pixel and 3 pixel for lower band. Okay, you can choose whatever you want to use. Okay, you can choose as long as it looks nice on your screen. I want it to look nice on my screen. I don't want it to be too big or too big, and at the same time I want it to be visible too. So you can choose the colors of your choice. I choose red and green. Red to represent the sell area and green to represent the buy area. Most times bullish candles are usually green or blue, and the red candles, the sell candles are red, right? So that's why I chose these colors. Okay, you're done with that. You just simply click done, and then the next indicator is the last moving average that will be on your indicator window 1. Okay, these are the settings. It's the same setting as the indicator on your main chart. Okay, period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel, black color. All right, there's no levels needed, so you just simply click done, and you are ready. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go to a higher time frame to know the market direction. This is crash 1000, and I want to be selling, right? I want to catch spikes, so I want to be selling crash 1000. I want to make sure that the market direction is all right. So I want to make sure that the market direction is in the downtrend. Yeah, I want to make sure that the market is in the downtrend, because you sell when the market is in the downtrend, you buy when the market is in an uptrend. Okay, so for crash, you want to be selling. If you want to catch spikes, you want to be selling when the market is in a downtrend. Okay, so you simply go to your higher time frame and make sure that that you are seeing series of lower highs and lower lows, series of lower highs and lower lows. You see as plenty as possible, then you know that the direction of the market is downwards. Okay, and then what you do next is same on the same higher time frame, right? What you do next is to identify your areas of interest. That is your support and your resistance. Your support and your resistance are your areas of interest. Those are the areas you want to be trading from. Okay, it is no way advised to trade from any other area. If it is not in your support or your resistance, you don't need to do anything. Okay, you just allow it to come to you. All right, that's why most traders will tell you, most coaches will tell you to allow the market to come to you. It's very key, it's very important. Okay, all right, so you have been able to identify the market direction. You've seen that the market is in a downtrend for crash. You want to catch spikes for crash. The market is in a downtrend, and the price is at your area of interest. That is your resistance. This is where you are interested in. Okay, this is the area where you want to be taking your trade from. You want to be selling from your resistance. All right, and then when price is at your resistance, you want to be seeing some candles, some red candles, some rejections from the upside, right? You want to be seeing some candles. You want to be seeing some candles asking you to sell. Okay, at this point you have seen several confirmations. You have noticed that the market is in a downtrend and you want to sell, and the candles on all the time frames are telling you to sell. All right, and then you now come to your indicator. Okay, looking for entries. At this point you come to your lower time frame. Okay, you come to your lower time frame. You notice that price is at your, this is one thing people don't know, right? You might be on a higher time frame and assume that price is at your resistance, but price had long left that area. Okay, this is because the higher time frame will show you a bigger picture, and if you switch to a lower time frame, it will take you closer to price, and then you will know exactly where it is. So it's always advised to go to lower time frame to be sure that price is actually at your resistance, right, or your support. Okay, but for crash, you want to be selling at your resistance. So you want to make sure that price is at your resistance on a lower time frame, and then all the candles are saying sell. All right, all the candles on all the time frames are asking you to sell. That means you're seeing bearish candles, you're seeing bearish moves, you're seeing rejections facing the downside. All right, at this point, your indicator here, your moving average here, would be at level 90. All right, to definitely be at level 90 at this point. If it's not at level 90, you can just relax and let it get to level 90, so that you can add that as another confirmation, right? But price action is always key. Price action tells you what the market does. So even without the indicator telling you or coming to level 90 completely, you can still take a trade and still win. But for you to be on the safe side, all right, you need to have all the confirmations intact, right? So you want to make sure that your moving average on the indicator window 1 is on your resistance area. This is your resistance area. The 90, the level 90 here is your resistance, and level 10 here is your support. Remember I said this is where you sell from. The red area is where you sell from. The green area is where you buy from. All right, and in this case you want to be selling. So right, you take a trade from here, you sell from this level, and then you catch spikes. These are multiple spikes. You can see price is going back to that area now. I don't care. I think I will even open more positions because I know it's going to definitely go back downwards. The market direction is downtrend, and I have confirmed all of these things I'm telling you guys now. If you follow these principles, guys, you are always going to make money, guys. You're always going to make money trading the forex market like a pro. You're always going to make money. You can use this approach on nearly all the financial markets. Okay. I'm going to have to open more positions because I want to catch more spikes. I'll do that shortly. I just want this video to be as brief as possible. So this is what you do if you want to catch spikes on crash. But if you want to catch spikes on boom, you do exactly the opposite, right? You do exactly the opposite. Okay, you want to be seeing series of higher highs and higher lows. All right, let's go to B500 for example. All right, you want to be catching spikes. You want to be seeing series of higher highs and higher lows. You want to make sure that the market direction is facing upwards, like the entire market direction, the overall market direction on the higher time frame. You want to make sure that it is an uptrend. All right, you want to be seeing series of higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows to confirm your trend. Okay, you want to make sure that price is at your support area. Okay, you need to actually identify your support area using horizontal lines or Fibonacci levels. I don't know which one you use, guys. All right. So whichever you use, you want to make sure that price is at your support level. You want to be seeing bullish moves. The candles need to be saying, I want to buy, I'm ready to buy. You know, you need to check all the time frames to make sure that the candles on all the time frames are saying, I want to buy, I want to buy. Sometimes some time frames might tell you something different, but the higher time frames, sorry about that, guys. Excuse me. The higher time frames are the time frames that are really significant. So the lower ones will only I consider the lower ones noise. I feel like they are noise. The higher time frames are the ones I really look at, right? But then again, you have to be sure that everything on all the time frames are telling you the same thing. All right. But in the case where one or two lower time frame, like 15 minutes or 30 minutes, tells you something different, and all other time frames are telling you buy, okay, you can ignore and still buy because it will definitely buy, but you need to just know where to put your stop loss so that the small retracement that the 30-minute time frame will cause. For example, if you see a small or any of the time frames, any of the small time frames telling you sell when others are telling you buy, you don't totally ignore you don't totally ignore it. Okay, you need to be sure of where to put your SL, because that time frame can actually pull price back a little before it pushes upwards, right? So you need to be sure of where to put your SL. Is very important. Where to put your SL is very important. All right. So guys, this is it for how to catch spikes on boom and crash. If you follow these principles, you will make a lot of profit for yourself. You don't need to actually kill yourself, trading the forex market. It's very simple. You just need to have these principles lined up and you are good. Okay, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that before. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, because it will help me reach out to many other people who might want to benefit from this strategy, guys. All right, so subscribe to this channel. Thumbs up, drop good reviews if you have been using our powerful strategies. Drop good reviews and encourage us to do more, guys. All right, see you guys on another video.